Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Marketing Automation Software channel. Today, I'll guide you on how to use the feature to automatically post Reels videos in bulk on your profile. First, click on the Viral Marketing section, then select the Post Reels Profile feature. You can refer to the settings I've configured or adjust them according to your preferences. Next, select Selected Video. In the Video Selection section, choose the folder where your videos are saved. For the video description, you can create it using Notepad, where you can describe the video content or the products you're promoting. Don't forget to include hashtags in the description, once the description is ready. Select the correct folder and choose the description file you've saved. Finally, select your account, load it, and click Start. The software will automatically post Reels videos in bulk on your profile, saving you from manual posting. Enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow upcoming content. If you're interested in trying the software, feel free to contact me, my contact details are below. See you in the next video.